Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I'm back with some technical points, with some technical education. Chapter 2 from Computer, Standard 8, How to Use Microsoft Excel 2010. And the topic is Switching Views and Datasheet Entry. Before going further, I just want to first discuss about primary key. A primary key is a field or set of fields with values that are unique throughout a table. That means the values which are unique throughout the table, unrepeatable values, the values which cannot be repeated. Example, roll numbers, IDs, etc. Values of the key can be used to refer to entire records because each record has a different value for the key. Each table can only have one primary key. I'm repeating, each table has only one primary key. Access can automatically create a primary key field for you when you create a table, or you can specify the fields that you want to use as the primary key. This article explains how and why to use primary keys. For example, ID, student ID or student roll number. If there are two students in a class, Mohan Gupta and Mohan Sharma, both are Mohan. Names can be similar, but their roll numbers can't be similar. Understood? So for that purpose, this is one of the example why primary key is used. Repetition of value should not take place. So, the roll number is being assigned with the primary key. To set a table's primary key, open the table in design view, select the field that you want to use and then on the ribbon click primary key. This is the step to assign primary key. I am repeating. First, to set a table's primary key, we have to open the table in design view. We have to open the table in design view. Then we have to select the field or fields that we want to use, and then on the ribbon there appears a ribbon as shown over there. On the ribbon we have to click on primary key. This was the concept of primary key. I am repeating, primary key is assigned to the values or to the row column which has unique value. The values which cannot be repeated, unrepeatable value, they are only being assigned with the primary key. Next is switching views, different types of views. How many types of views are there? Let me first tell you that in spreadsheet, in MS Excel, there are four kinds of view for a spreadsheet. First one is datasheet view, pivot table view, pivot chart view and SQL view. Now what is datasheet view? As the name is self-explanatory, the view in which we can see the data. And design view is also there, in which we design the data. We design the MS Excel. Datasheet view refers to row-wise and column-wise viewing of data in a table in database application such as spreadsheets, Access, Excel and so on. The information pertaining to individual records is provided in individual rows and the attributes related to the record is given in the corresponding columns. So, here we can see view, datasheet view and design view in the first diagram. Datasheet view and design view. Datasheet view, it is nothing but the intersection of rows and columns in which we enter the data or the data is being displayed. Design view, where we set parameters how our data view should be. What should be, how many columns should be there, what should be the column names, what should be the default column type, all this column type, row type, etc. All these are being decided in the design view. Datasheet view gives you simple data in the tabulated format. Design view provides with the technical aspects, how that datasheet view is being designed, what are the parameters set for that Excel sheet. In the second picture, you can see there are 4 kinds of view. If we click on view tab, datasheet view, pivot chart or pivot table view and SQL views are there. Pivot table. A pivot table is a statistic tool that summarizes and reorganizes selected columns and rows of data in a spreadsheet or database table to obtain a desired report. Pivot table views means it is the selection of desired or it reorganizes the selected columns and rows of the spreadsheet to get a desired report. The tool does not actually change the spreadsheet or database itself. It simply pivots or turns the data to view it from the different perspectives. It does not change the table. The table remains the same, but the perspective of the table, it gets changed. Whatever we want, example is given here. There we have selected rows, row labels and sum of sales, and we have just brought them together, and we have like removed all the rows and column formation over there. This is called pivot table view. Pivot chart. Pivot chart as a chart. The name chart is self-explanatory. Chart is something which gives you bars, column diagrams, bar diagrams, etc. The layout of pivot chart view is similar to that of pivot table view, except that by default pivot table view show data details, whereas pivot chart view shows data totals or summarizes it. Also, instead of row and column areas, a pivot chart view shows series and categories areas. Next is design view. As I told you that in design view we set parameters for the table, for the data sheet. A design view is a means of organizing designing information for the table. It expresses a design in terms of set of design entity. A complete design describes all design entities and their attributes. For example, as we can see in the given diagram, primary key is assigned to the customer ID, and for customer ID data type is auto number. That means customer ID, it will accept number, and unique number identifying each entry. Each entry will be having different numbers because it is assigned with the primary key. The data cannot be repeated. Then field names, there are different names of field. What will be the field names, what will be the rows and columns, first name, last name, address, city, and what will be the data type for them. First name, text, last name, text, address, text, city, text. Then field properties. Here field properties are also being set. That means you can design the table parameters in the design view. Now the next topic is entering data in datasheet view. The steps are as follows. Open the database file in which you wish to insert new data. First of all, we have to open datasheet view. Then go to View and select Datasheet View option located in the ribbon and insert the data or information that you wish to add in the table. As you will go to database file and select insert new data, you will get data. There are 4 options: datasheet view, pivot table view, pivot chart view and design view. Out of that you have to select datasheet view and a spreadsheet will be displayed in which you can enter the data. Step 3, repeat step 1 and 2 to add some data in another table. Step 4, save the table after inserting new data in it. As soon as you will enter the data in the datasheet view, then you have to save it. That's it for today. So today let's summarize in short what we have seen today. We have seen the concept of primary key. We have seen the different views of spreadsheet, that is datasheet view, pivot table view, pivot chart view and design view, and we have seen all the parameters regarding design view. What is the necessity of design view? Why? How design view is always linked with the datasheet view. Whatever we are going to design in the design view, that is only being displayed in the datasheet view. Then we have seen how to enter data in datasheet view. Next time, let's come up with the manipulation of data, how the data sheet is being manipulated. We will go with that in the next video. For other videos, do like, subscribe and share my link. Thank you and have a nice time.